Good morning, Teresa.
Hi, Mr. Tandy.
Good morning, Mr. Tandy.
Hey, Sam.
Mr. Tandy, good morning.
Good morning, Isabel.
Good morning, Mr. Tandy.
Good morning, Oscar.
This is a clock. Clock.
This is a watch. Watch.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 8:10 a.m.
Anna, what time is it on this clock?
Oh, sorry. It's 8:30.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 10:22.
Right. Sam, what time is it?
It's 2:17.
Great. Isabel, what time is it?
It's 4:49.
Right. Oscar, what time is it?
It's 6:55.
Excellent. Teresa, what time is it?
It's 12:33.
Good. Now look and listen. Anna, what time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Teresa, what time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
Good. Anna, what time is it?
It's 3:15, or it's 3:15.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 4:07.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 3:45, or it's 3:45.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 3:55, or it's 5:45.
Oscar, what time is it?
It's a quarter after 7.
Excellent. Isabel, what time is it?
It's 1:45.
Right. Oscar, what time is it?
It is 7:06.
Great. Sam, what time is it?
It's 10 to 9.
Excellent. Anna, what time is it?
It's 12 o'clock or it's noon. Noon.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 12 o'clock or it's midnight. Midnight.
Morning. Morning.
Afternoon. Afternoon. Night. Night. Morning. Afternoon. Night. Morning is AM. Afternoon and night are PM. Teresa, what time is it?
It's 8:38 a.m.
Right. Isabel, what time is it?
It's 6:20 p.m.
Right. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Isabel, what time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10:30.
Sleep. Sleep. I sleep at night. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. Sam, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Get up. Get up. I get up at 6:05. Sam, what time do you get up?
I get up at a quarter after 7.
Sam, get up. It's time for school.
Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. I eat breakfast at 6:30. Teresa, what time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at a quarter after 7.
Okay, very good. Leave the house. Leave the house. I leave the house at 10 to 7. Teresa, what time do you leave the house?
I leave the house at a quarter to 8.
Arrive at school. Arrive at school. I arrive at school at 7 o'clock. Isabel, what time do you arrive at school?
I arrive at school at 5 to 8 in the morning.
Class starts. Class starts. Isabel, what time does class start?
Class starts at 8:10 a.m.
Right. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. I eat lunch at 12:30. Isabel, what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30.
School ends at a quarter after 3. School ends at a quarter after 3. Sam, what time does school end?
School ends at 3:15 p.m.
Okay, very good. Leave school. Leave school. I leave school at 5 o'clock. Teresa, what time do you leave school?
I leave school at a quarter after 3 p.m.
Get home. Get home. I get home at 10 after 5. Teresa, what time do you get home?
I get home at 3:30.
Eat dinner. Eat dinner. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Isabel, what time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7:30.
Sam, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You wake up at 7 o'clock. Oscar, what time does Sam wake up?
Sam wake up at 7 o'clock.
Look, put an S at the end. Sam wakes up at 7 o'clock. Yes, Teresa.
Or he wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Put the S at the end of wake. He wakes up at 7 o'clock. Isabel, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Sam and Isabel, what time do you wake up?
We
I
wake up at 7 o'clock.
Oscar, what time do they wake up?
They wake up at 7 o'clock.
I know S. You know S. Sam S. He S. She S. We know S. They know S. Oscar, I
eat.
Teresa, you
eat.
Isabel, Maria,
Maria eats.
Sam, she,
Eats.
Oscar, he,
eats.
Teresa, we
eat.
Isabel, they
eat.
All right, good job, everybody.